What's going on, everyone? Hey, this is Josh, and today we're going to be going over HumanTalk. There's a new AI software that lets you create amazing text with AI human emotions. All right, I'll be going over, showing you everything that you can do with that. It's pretty amazing. So let's just get started. All right, this is created by Paul Ponia. You've got other softwares out there like Humanpal, Avatar Builder, Video Creator, uh, and a lot more. But today we are discussing HumanTalk. This just came out a few days ago, brand new. Guarantee it, never seen nothing like this. I know you might have seen stuff like text to speech, but this is not text to speech. This is far more advanced. Um, you can give people emotions, like either happy or sad. So let's get started. If you go to create an audio, okay, all right, you got all these people you can choose from. Uh, Young lady, older lady. Um, Let me move around some things. Um, anyway, a select handful of them, they have different emotions. Like you go through them, you oh, wow, right, you updated a whole bunch more voices. Anyway, the ones that have these next to it, you can see that you can be assistant, terrified voice. Try terrified.
Oh, you can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
Okay. And if we want to sum this down, we can just go up and you got different ways to separate things. But right now, I just want to go to only emotion people. All right. Let's see here. Let's try Davis. Let's see him whispering. Pretty cool, huh? Guy shouting.
You can pick me as your spokesperson.
All right, so let's just pick him as shouting. All right, I just want to go next. Then I want to get a script. Okay, pick any script that you want. Uh, just copy that here. Put the script in. Paste. You just want to agree to the terms. Close that out. Hit next. It is creating as we speak. It's done already. Do a little sample.
Hello, are you tired of writing the same boring content for your business day in and day out? Do you want to create content that resonates with your audience on a deep emotional level?
Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Also, once you get HumanTalk, you also get the app text writer. Now, this is very cool. Set here. I'm pretty sure it's going to make me re-log in. All right. So you can have it write anything you want it to write. Okay. So say I want to have it make me a sales page on an agency. You just say, write me a sales page on a marketing agency. All right. Then, pretty cool thing about that, you can have it write as like famous copywriters, like Gary Halbert. He's no longer with us, but you have him write it as Gary Halbert, you can do that too. So I can say, write it like Gary Halbert would write it. So write me a sales page on marketing agency. All right. So you want to hit advanced prompt mode. You want to hit submit. Down here it tells you, write a persuasive and captive sales page for a marketing agency that showcases their unique approach to the digital marketing service. Use the tried and tested techniques of Gary Halbert to captivate the readers, emphasize value of agency provides. Okay, blah blah blah. But anyway, cool part is you just hit next. It takes a few seconds. All right, here it is. Are you tired of ineffective marketing tactics that drain your budget without delivering results? When you put the agency name in, then we have a unique approach to digital marketing that guarantees increased brand awareness, lead generation, and the ROI for your clients. But don't just take our word for it. Our success case studies and glowing client testimonials speak for themselves. And you can insert some strong snippets for the case studies. So, what is our secret? It starts with a depth understanding of our target audience, right? And it just goes on and on, tells you about the agency. Pretty cool, huh? If you want to stop right there, you just hit copy, flip it to your notepad, and then, go to your notebook, and then you can paste it for later, all right? And then you go back to Humanpal, all right? That's saved. Oh, I gotta give it a name. Humanpal, blah, blah, blah. Okay, save it. Go to create audio again. All right. Select who you want to pick. Someone's emotions. Let's pick a girl who's whispering.
Hello. You
Let's try a different girl.
hello.
All right. Hit next. Put your script in. Paste. Hit you agree. Just close. Next. And there it is. Let's create. We pick area, female, as her whispering.
Are you tired of ineffective marketing tactics that drain your budget without delivering results? At Agency Name, we have a unique approach to digital marketing that guarantees
Obviously, it wouldn't be agency name. Obviously, you just put in the name of the agency. And all you do is give it a name. Agency, save, boom, and there it is. And then you can download it, do whatever you like. All right, that is pretty cool. I'm going to keep this video short. I think you guys get the idea of what the software can do. I'm going to leave my affiliate link on the bottom. I really suggest that you pick this up. And also, if you don't already, you can pick up Humanpal. Humanpal is you can take your scripts and put it in a Humanpal and have video content created with different humatars. The two apps go great together. All right, here with Humanpal, you just click template, hit next. All right, another one. Next, pick an avatar or humantar that you want. Next, and you just put your script in right there. But on this, the script can only be 60 seconds, a minute long. But if you go back here, you can summarize it right here down to 60 seconds. Summarize, and then it will fit right there. You just copy it, take it back to Humanpal, bam, copy and paste. Computer's acting funny. Anyway, you copy and paste it, and you can pick your voices right here, and it gets created into a video. Go to my videos to show you an example of what some videos are like. Um, yeah, something underground bunker. Hit play. The lips move right with it. Right, you guys get the idea. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will leave a link to both of these apps on the bottom. Please pick it up, and I know you will love it. Thanks.